bitch, I just give it my all. They say they stand big, bitch, I stand tall. Got pride in my veins, I would never fall. I done did many things, I'm just trying to do it all. Do it all, they say I'm hotter than May. They throwing flowers on stage at a big bouquet, and I'm trying to do it B.I.G. back in the day. I ain't worried about who on the side as long as they ain't in the way. Exquisite I am, exquisite I'm gonna be. The people tired of seeing bad so good, they gon' have to see good. I say with no errors or mistakes, devour these niggas, so don't step up to the plate. The game fragile at the moment till I open up the crate. Catch the beef, throw it out, yeah, that's my bait. And I'm just fishing for a bill, like Mr. Gates. Done took care of the beef, now show me what I hate. Give me 2 years, I'ma hold a spotlight. Yeah, I got time long as my watch tight. I would never stop my pattern of flight. Set my timer on one day, blow up in one night. I'm exquisite to the end, like I'm running for a lead. Sign my name on the contract, now that shit a deed. I'm just underground, that's where I plant my seed. And I'm a sprout with no problem like California weed. They say I'm far from fame, I find that insane. Cause who needs fame when people at least know your name? Moment for the truth, now take it in vain. If you can't take it in vain, well encrypt it in your brain. I'm a piece of shit, yeah I know I'm nasty. I'm not being cocky, so please don't ask me. First place title losers, please don't last me. And I'm working around the clock, so time won't pass me. I'ma shut it down, like an eviction. Look me in my eyes, bitch I'm non-fiction. I'm state of art, like a depiction. Me not going hard is my only restriction. Give me 2 years, I'ma hold a spotlight. Yeah, I got time long, guess my watch tight. I would never stop my pattern of flight. Set my timer on one day, blow up in one night. Everything good, but life ain't never been perfect. Born at the bottom, I arise to the surface. I'm looking for the money, yeah, I'm living with a purpose. Ain't a penny to my name, but I'm far from worthless. You can say I'm rare, different from the rest. I spit bars, it's hard for them to digest. Lame rappers clogging up the game. Blood test, red eyes from the green, like I'm possessed. They always say the world not big enough for two, but me and Extra, that tag team, Shaggy, Scooby-Doo. Mystery flow, like you need a clue. And haters just mistakes that need to undo. And I wanna be one of the greatest somewhere at the top, and maintain my place like a diamond in a rock. The critics want good, so I ain't gonna stop. Fuck the other plantiers, I'm cream of the crop. Give me 2 years, I'ma hold a spotlight. Yeah, I got time long, that's my watch tight. I would never stop my pattern of flight. Set my timer on one day, blow up in one night. Now let it ride. 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 Now let it ride.